Hi, I'm Diani, Jesus lover, wife, mother, executor. I like to get things done, and the Invest Diva Powercourse helped me to do exactly that. As our family CFO, I was determined not just to manage my family's finances, but to set us up for success, to build generational wealth. And in order to do that, I knew I had to do something different. I had to do better. And so I asked myself, how can I do better? And I knew that I would have to do something that I was always intimidated to do, which was to take on our family's investment accounts. And in order to do that, I needed to know how. I needed the information. And I had read all the books. There's so much content out there, tons of information, tons of videos on YouTube. But it was overwhelming. I didn't know what to do with it. And people say knowledge is power. I disagree. Executed knowledge is power. If you can't do anything with it, what difference does it make? You can't do anything better. And so the Power Course, starting out with the first 4 weeks, which were very intense, it really helped me to locate myself. I had goals, but I hadn't established time-bound goals, specific goals that I could get to, and to understand where I was and understand how to develop a plan, a strategy that I could follow to get me to where I needed to be. There are exercises. The content is so rich, and the team, Kiana's team on Facebook is amazing. I know I asked a bajillion questions, and within hours, sometimes even minutes, I got a response, a real response from a real person who really thought through my question. In addition to that, the community, the camaraderie, other people just like me, regular people that wanted to learn so that they could set their families up for success. That was so empowering, so encouraging. Kiana's story alone was so encouraging. I knew from hearing her story that I could do it too. And so I'm encouraging anybody who's considered doing the Invest Diva Power Course to go ahead, join the movement today. Don't think about it anymore. Execute your power to do better.